Hello, epic gangsters. Gonna get ready. I'm gonna use this a nude by nature. This one's really expensive, but I got nothing as usual. I haven't used foundation in a lot of months, I guess. Been a very long time actually, because I just don't want my skin to look really soft. Because it just looks shit when it's like that. I'm chilling, you know. What I'm trying to use up is like this from 2019, the retinol face mist, you know, things like this. Because it's been a lot of stuff that I've got. Still got so much stuff, and so I don't want it to be such a burden for me, so I still try to use it up, but I'm just not so huge on the foundation right now. And that's why I'm doing this, because it's for Halloween reasons. I probably use too much, but I don't really know. This stuff, it's a lot of money, but it smells really good. And it's all natural. It's got that jojoba instead of whatever they put in the normal foundations. It's done, and I'm gonna look good and more tan for the rest of the day, so I'm very thankful that I own this. And this is the current state of my palette. This is gonna take me until the new year to finish up. I did the calculations, and it tends to take me a month to use up 0.5 to a gram of highlighter. So this is the current state of my hairline. I've been using Rogaine. In fact, I put it on last night, and this is the bottle. Yeah, it's just, I don't see a difference. Whoa, I got 20 people on right now, what the hell? Yo, thank you for saying that you love my nails. They are really not done now, but I'm only doing them because I gotta get rid of all the nail polish. This nail polish I made myself, no joke. It's not a lot. I'm not seeing a lot out of this, but I really don't want to pay 140 bucks US to freaking know if there's, you know, that enzyme in me, because that's how they do it. They want to know whether you have the enzyme to respond to Rogaine. Thank you, Abdul, for saying that you're gay and you love me. That is gangster. Straight up. I hope in your country it is okay to be gay. Where is your shirt? Well, I'm wearing one. It's here. But it's also, it's really expensive. And it's got a lot of holes in it because I found it at the beach. In a place that you can't buy it at. Thank you for the 12 views and the 1 like. I've never gotten a like on my live stream yet. Man, dude, I did a couple shots this morning before I ate, and I barely even have ate at this point, but I'm trying to get, you know, everything together so that I can hit the thrift stores, because that will be so epic. It's just a bad time, so I had lots of other stuff to deal with. I'm gonna black out my hairline for the 4 people that are watching. I usually do this every morning. This is how I do it. Oh, that was bad. This is no joke. It is probably too loud for you guys, but I'm not gonna, you know. Yeah, there we go. This song is great. I don't know if you guys have heard this. This is called Mama's Boyfriend by Shell Dame. And I've been listening to the song for the last billion freaking days. So this is how you fake having a better hairline than you got now. This is half lip gloss and half just whatever powder you have laying around, or some sort of eyebrow pomade. I just had a bunch of that stuff. It would take years to freaking use. I used 2 grams of eyebrow stuff per year. And so here I am blacking it all out. You practically can't tell when you do the comb over, basically. So I like to do this and the comb over. And if anybody wants to correct me on this, I would like that. I would like someone to correct me on whether I should be washing my hair every time I use the Rogaine, or whether it's okay to put it on but not wash for a day or whatever. Are you going to celebrate Halloween? Yes, I want to, but in my area there's nobody fricking doing that. So here I am. Whoa, I got 0 viewers all of a sudden. I'm sorry for being so drunk then. Squeak. And about my shirt, yeah, I don't know, some Japanese guy designed it. And you can see lots of holes in it, because it really is from the beach. This was a very confused drunken live stream again. I don't know how to title these things, but I did 2 shots, and I pulled up and wanted to live stream, because I love live streaming when I've had too much liquor. It is a great idea. I just don't have a lot of hairline, you know? I don't have a lot going on there, and I keep putting Rogaine on it. It seems to work very slowly. Thank you, Bella, for saying you love Halloween. I also love Halloween. I wish more frickin' events going on for, you know, adults, instead of just sitting online and doing social media like a child. That is just honestly so stupid and so bad that my culture has just been within the idea of frickin' doing that. Social media just pisses me off. Because those people aren't real. You're never gonna see them again. People on social media, it's like people that you talk to once at a music festival, and then none of them ever want to talk again. So what's the point? So I don't understand why my generation is still into social media. It's really childish. I just made this mustache wax. Actually, this is about half lip gloss and color and wax. I hope this is the right mix. But I put it into this palette, and I'm just gonna try and use it up. I know a guy that uses mustache wax religiously, but he's a really awful person, so I don't want to contact him to ask about how he waxes his frickin' mustache. Because I'd rather never speak to him again. In fact, I'd rather he doesn't exist.